Hello everyone, in this video given is a rectangle in which two semicircles are inscribed in such a way that diameter of the semicircle is equal to side length of the rectangle. A circle is drawn inside the rectangle in such a way that it is tangent to the opposite sides and passing to the intersecting point of the two semicircles. If the length of this rectangle is 20 centimeter, then by this limited data we have to find this blue shaded area. Let we move toward the solution. First of all, we mark this tangency point. Since this is the diameter of semicircle, so radius of the semicircle will be half of it, that is 10 centimeter. Let we draw a line segment from this point to this point, which is again the radius of the semicircle, that is 10 centimeter. Similarly, we draw another line segment from this point to this point, which is again the radius of semicircle. And if we draw this line segment, then this portion is a triangle. Since this line segment is the diameter of the circle, therefore this angle must be of 90 degree. So this is a right triangle with base and height 10 centimeter. Now we find this blue shaded area is equal to area of the quarter circle, this whole quarter circle with radius 10 centimeter minus area of this triangle, right triangle. So we know that area of quarter circle is 1/4 times pi r square minus these both lengths, which are base and height of the triangle, are radii of the semicircle. So it is equal to half time r times r. Here r is 10 in all cases, so substituting the value of r, that is 1/4 pi 10 square minus 1/2 times 10 into 10. This will become 25 pi minus 50. Now we have to find this blue shaded region. So this area is equal to double of this area. So multiplying the above equation by 2, we have 2 times 25 minus 50, and that is approximately equal to 57.08 square units. That is the answer.